Is your graphics card missing from your PC? Don't panic. If Windows 10 or 11 isn't detecting your GPU, especially after an update or new install, in this video I'll share some simple solutions that will help you fix graphics card not detected in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. Fix 1 using commands. Search CMD in Windows Search. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type the command showing you on the screen and hit Enter. Restart the computer and check if your graphics card is now detected. Fix 2. Set BIOS to default. To enter the BIOS, restart your computer and keep pressing the BIOS key. This key may be different depending on the manufacturer. You can find the specific BIOS key for your laptop in the description box. Once inside the BIOS, use the arrow keys to navigate to the setup option. Press the F9 key to load setup defaults, then select Yes. After that, press the F10 key to save and exit. Restart your computer and your graphics card should now be visible. Fix 3. Update the graphics card drivers. Search for Windows Update in the Windows search bar. Click on View All Optional Updates. Then check all available updates and click on Download and Install. If you are still having trouble with your drivers, we recommend using a tool like Advanced Driver Updater. This tool automatically scans your system for outdated drivers and helps keep them updated with minimum effort. Download and install the software on your Windows computer. You can also use the download link in the description below. Once launched, click on Start Scan Now button. It will show you a list of all the outdated drivers. You can either just update your graphics driver or click on Update All to update all the outdated drivers in one click. Fix 4. Show hidden devices. Open the Windows search box, type Device Manager and click on it. In the Device Manager window, click on the View tab, select Show Hidden Devices. Check under System Devices or Other Devices for any devices with PCI in their name. If you see a yellow warning triangle next to any of them, right-click on the device and select Uninstall from the context menu. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver for you. And that's it. Hopefully one of these fixes has resolved the issue of your graphics card not being detected in Windows 10 or 11. If you have any questions or doubts, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.